U-LT General Mkhwanazi uthi kusukela ngo-2011 kuningi okungahambanga kahle embuthweni wamaphoyisa.
There's so many wrong things. One of the examples I'm going to cite now that you're mentioning the name is that a police officer will own a farm. And in that farm will employ people that are working in the farm. And all those people that are working in the farm, they get registered in the police as agents. And they draw the salary every month from the secret fund account to pay for their employment in the farm.
Liphinde lavela futhi igama lowabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBhekicele ngesikhathi ekhuluma ngokusashazwa kwemali okwakwenzeka emnyangweni wamaphoyisa ngo-2011.
I know of a General Cele as a former National Commissioner of the Police, the Minister of Police, not the captain that you are referring to, whose cell phone number was included in the application that was submitted to the judge, where the request was to listen to these phone numbers by Crime Intelligence as they were running an operation.
Mkhwanazi uphakamise ukuthi kubukezwe umthetho ogunyaza izimantshi ukuthi zenze inqumo ngezigwebo zabasolwa. Uthi ezinye zezigwebo ziyawuphazamisa umsebenzi wamaphoyisa wokulwa nobugebengu.
The freedom that are enjoyed by presiding officers to decide on whether to keep a person in custody or not can, to some degree, contribute to more crime that we're experiencing in the country. So when the presiding officer decided to grant a murder suspect more than one bail, he goes out, he commits another murder, he comes back in. He goes out, he commits another murder, he comes back in. It becomes an unending crime scene that you're dealing with.
Uphendule kanje ngesikhathi ebuza ukuthi kungani ethathe isinqumo sokubeka impilo yakhe engcupheni ngokuveza insolo zenkohlakalo emaphoyiseni.
Lokho kungenza ukuthi ngiphakameke ukuthi ngikhulume lolu daba ingoba ngibona ukuthi uma ngiliyeka ukukhuluma umndeni wami ukhona nje umshana wami odla idakamizwa ngikhuluma nawe eziqhamuka ngabo labantu. Uma abaphathi bezovumela lezi gebengu ukuthi ziqhubeke nokuthengisela ingane zethu lezi dakamizwa zize nazo zilethela South Africa zizakhe la South Africa okushuthi kahle kahle izwe lizobe lifika.
Mkhwanazi uthi ukholwa ukuthi ubudlelwane obabukhona phakathi kaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu kanye noBrown Mokgotsi babungahambisani nomthetho.